Okay guys, at this moment I try my fidget toys, and what I have do. At this training I have got this mini simple dimple, this mini simple dimple, this fidget spinner, and so this. I don't know what this, but I have got this. Okay, it's good. Okay, let's training this. So first is maybe this two dimples. And it's so cold and raining, but okay. So no, and okay, maybe. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this on there now, and this. Okay, is this? Maybe this, but this is, I don't like this, really. Okay. One, two, three. Where is four? But okay. And fidget spinner. I'm scared of this. I really like this. And this is good, but bye. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to this. Okay, I am okay, so now I have got fidget spinner. Is good. So fidget spinner is good. Oh no, dimple, but it's water at this. Sad. But okay. This simple dimple. Okay, and so this. Okay, so I have got this two. Okay, I have got every. So it's good. Every this is good and good. Dimple, simple dimple, fidget spinner, and this. Okay, goodbye, and you get back at my channel at part 3. Bye. No, at part, yes, 3. Okay, bye.